Look, man, I don't know what the fuck this beat is. I just clicked on some shit. It just say can't hold on. I'm just fucking holding on to. But I'm still chillin', listening to John Lennon with my Grand Dukes. Listen, can you just sit in the rain? Sit in the rain, still gon' give a nigga brain. I'm still trill, and you love me for everything I do. I know. I'm making some better bulls. I'm cool, me and my niggas still chillin' in the booth. Me and Strat still doing what it do. Can't hold on to all the things that I refuse and the rules. Naturally to me it come to you. I don't give a fuck, I'm making moves. You could put your 2 cents, but I didn't ask for two. Got the 30 in the bench, trying to work on it, the crew. Got her trying to fall in love, she wanted to fuck with us, so that bitch had fallen us. Before she fucking living all of us. Effing needs that bitch on her knees, she sucking all of us, controlling it. I'm trying to get the bucks, but I ain't bucking to the top to get the bucks. The bitch is sucking cause the nigga trying to move it off the rock. I'm kinda hot, nigga, I'm kinda nice. You bitches nonchalant.
Getting money never was the plan. I was just focused on spitting shit. Fuck son of sand. Fuck all of you sons, man. These niggas be talking like they be dumb, man. I'm talking about sons, cause the phoenix is what they trying to use to kill the world. They dying to defuse. You niggas is talking, but nigga, they looking at us like they gon' lose. Like really, they trying to jeopardize without jeopardy, trying to criminalize without looking at felonies. As I guess they looking at my skin and they see jealousy, cause they stole everything from my black people. Like right now, looking at my life like these niggas need to pipe down and learn about your traditional lifestyle, nigga, cause it's bullshit. It's just what the government just predicted, like smoking weed, getting lifted, and partying to some dumb shit. If them niggas had in the substance, hip hop ain't changed. Hip hop turned to some dumb shit. Real talk, nigga. All you get is a drumstick. To be a king, you go to the shack to get a drumstick.
I said I'm looking at my life now, thinking I should better me. Every day I'm living, so I don't think ahead of me. Don't scan nothing. Never schedule nothing, cause I think that I'ma be eternally stunting with my niggas to the end of days, niggas to the end of times. I'ma be the one that people say that's known for his rhymes. I got the illest motherfucker, I'm the illest out. Bitches say I'm drilling them, I'm killing them, they feel me now. Used to be a fat kid, they treated me like nothing. I used to be a broke nigga, then I started hustling, making money flipping. Now a nigga living reckless, got them bitches on my dick. I use this shit like it's a weapon. Making money, you can point it in my direction, bitch. And she still trying to feel my erection, bitch. She close to God, cause it's how I rise. Yo, yo, but look at this shit and be like, yo, you some funny ass nigga. You gonna look at these shits like, we ain't never see these shit, bruh. This shit sound crazy, though. And she was talking, and I was like, no, you sound. Nah, but this my bitch Ellie Golden.
Thinking about the past, thinking about the future, thinking about the internet, thinking about computers, how this shit could get you ripped, for how this shit probably confuses. All this shit that's on the internet really starting to be stupid. Like how these ratchet bitches taking pics, but shit is useless when you meet them in person. They be looking goofy and stupid. And niggas too, y'all just pitiful, looking stupid, acting thirsty usual. Nigga, yeah, use your tools like your brain. Use a fool if you don't understand how to maintain loyalty. That's the main thing that make chicks wanna deploy a nigga. They just looking for a nigga who real as they are. Nigga, don't play the game, cause they'll play y'all like y'all retards, but really y'all good tards. They pulling strings, dog. These musical instruments was happening from a man. They discover shit, but ain't no discoverance, nigga.
I give my all to this music. Why? Because that's the reason that I live. I get high because I think that everybody here on this earth wanna hurt me. That's they fucking plan. I don't know. But niggas say a nigga do it big. That's a lie. I don't got nothing but a fucking crib. That's a lie. I got something, and that's fucking fam. That's the truth. These niggas say it's how I arrest the clan. They my group, my niggas rolling in, rolling out. Yeah, we looking at all of this money now. Watch it roll in, watch it roll bounce with a nigga like me. Kicking like Ken, kicking like Ryu. I do it out your motherfucking system. Can you hear it? Now they tryna pay me for a personal appearance. Probably with some bottles and some niggas who gon' fear it. Cause they know a nigga got a flow and got a vision. Boy, I'm Condoleezza Rice when it come to making decisions. Bitch, I'm trying to do it just like the government. Plant it from the root, spread it from the tree of my fam, and let it seep through to my kids and let them understand my Farrakhan thoughts to take it over like it's a trademark at war. I was targeted, subliminalized, put in a position, me lies, but it's truth when it comes still. I tell them leave when you come real.
Niggas couldn't cut me off if they had a sword. Kill Bill, Volume 5, nigga. You a Labrador. To get your dog killed, nigga, I be at your door. With a 4-4 bulldog, nigga, that's a war. Nigga never seen a pulpit until you see a red nose. You want a gas pedal, but you lacking like a bitch. You ain't pushing no gas, nigga. You just ass, nigga, trash, nigga, forfeit. Rapids and rampage. I'm scoring like an Argentina, nigga. You see me, but how I reach a success? My team is bigger. We started off screaming the names. With strategy and logic, Point Blank gonna remain the same. I mean, in the shit right now, that's who it is. The top 10 niggas still killing shit and we don't care. Damn, making these lanes disappear. Niggas dying to cut the video off, so disappear. Bye, fans.